Now in this video we will discuss find and replace section under edit. So I will write something like so if we increase the size, and now if I want to find and replace, like edit, find and replace, so find SEO, I will find, and you can see this will highlight, and then we can replace this text with like search engine optimization, and we can replace this one, or we can replace and find, or we can replace all of them, like whatever how many times SEO word is existing, it will replace with search engine optimization. So I will replace. Now you can see it has been replaced, so it is here. So easily we can find and replace the text in Illustrator. Thank you very much for watching this video.